Once upon a time in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a king who had no tail. Now, this wasn't a problem for the king. He lived his life just like any other king without a tail. But one day, while looking at his reflection in the golden mirror, he noticed something strange. All the other kings in the kingdom had tails, but he didn't. The king was upset. He wanted a tail, just like all the other kings. So the king went to the town and asked the people, "Can anyone make me a tail?" She looked at the sparkly tail and asked, "Why isn't it wiggling?" She closed her eyes and started wiggling her own tail. The king saw the little girl from afar and asked her to bring back his tail. The little girl opened her eyes and said, "You said that you wanted a tail that didn't wiggle." The king felt bad. He didn't mean to hurt the little girl's feelings. He wanted her to have the tail. He said, "You can have my tail." "I don't want it anymore." The little girl was so happy. She gave the king a big hug and started wiggling both of her tails. The king smiled. He was happy that the little girl was happy. The king explained that he wanted to be the only king with a tail and asked her to take it back. The little girl was sad, but she knew that the tail would be happier if it wiggled. So she took the tail back. The people shook their heads. They couldn't help the king, so he offered them jewels from his treasure. She was swinging her legs back and forth and seemed very relaxed. And the little girl became known throughout the land as the girl with two tails. Sometimes when the wind was just right, he could have sworn that he heard the two tails whispering secrets to each other. She closed her eyes, put her hands behind her back, and wiggled what was under her dress. The king was amazed. It was the most beautiful tail he had ever seen. The little girl opened her eyes and said, "Do you like my tail? Can I make you one?" The king said. "Yes, please." The king sat down next to her and asked if she could help him make a tail. She picked some of the brightest and most colorful flowers and wove them together. When she finished, the king got the tail of his dreams. It was beautiful. It was soft and fluffy, and it even sparkled in the sunlight. The best part, it didn't wiggle. The king was so happy. He thanked the little girl and ran to the castle to show his new tail to the people. The little girl stopped swinging her legs and said, "I can make you a tail, but it will wiggle." The king didn't care. He just wanted a tail, so he agreed. Still, they couldn't help him. Frustrated, the king stomped back to the castle. On the way, he saw a little girl sitting by the side of the road. The little girl stood up and walked in front of the king. The king was upset. He wanted to be the only king with a beautiful tail in the kingdom. He told the people to get out so he could be alone. The little girl took the king to a field full of flowers. They all gathered around the king, but no one noticed that the tail didn't belong to him. Just then, the little girl walked in. She went to the field full of flowers and laid down. From that day on, the king never asked for a tail again. He liked being different.